Hi guys! Here's another Halloween look, and I'm staying in the Dracula universe. The last one was Mina, Wilhelmina Murray, Wilhelmina Harker, and today I'm doing my take on Lucy Westenra, Mina's best friend, the aristocrat, high-class girl, but still best friends with Mina. And I think I actually captured her quite well. She has been portrayed in many different ways, but I'm taking I'm just going back to the movie, and it's just like, oh, I love it. I think it's fairly good because it's a bit dark on the outer corner, except it's just shadow that has been feathered out, and I like it. So, if you want to see how I do my take on Lucy Westenra, then keep on watching. Right guys, let's get to it. I've already prepped my lips, as you can see, with my lip balm, just the Burt's Bees and Pomegranate. It's just been my favorite, and it's still going strong that it was, because I bought it last year, and I'm just like, oh, so good. Starting out with priming, obviously. Oh, the light's so good tonight. Whoa. Don't get liquidy on me. Seems I need to shake it. There. That was better. Then I'm going to apply it to the face. Master Prime by Maybelline. Concealer, you know I'm gonna take this one, the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer in C1. It's the lightest one, but you can also get one in white. It's so blimmin' good. So you can actually mix this concealer with the white concealer, and then you, because if you're paler than me, you need this like in C0 or something like that, or 0.5, and that's where a white concealer really can help. I'm gonna blend it out. I'm taking my buffing brush for that. Just get right under. So while we're at it, how are you guys? I've been feeling a bit under weather, hit by just a very light version of the flu. Actually, I'm still a bit under the weather by it. It's so nice. So I haven't been to work for 2 days now, because I have not been myself. It's not until last night my skin color was getting normal again. But today, I'm still under it because I'm dizzy. It's not that fun. But I guess the flu is very mild with me this time, because I've been vaccinated against it, but not this year. But anyway, that's how it is. For foundation, the Makeup Revolution First Base Stick Foundation in F1. I love this. It is so creamy. It is insane. I just need 2 stripes there, 1 there, down the nose, my chin, and just above the lip. And I just need, 3 small stripes there. It's insane. I think it's my new holy grail foundation. Because I've really been looking for a foundation that doesn't melt off my face, especially around my nose. And I've tried it out now for a few days, and it doesn't melt off my nose. It is insane. Maybe it's just because I'm the age that I am, that I need something more, solid. More solid foundation, not a liquid foundation. Yeah, and I'm blending it out with my buffing brush. Just look at it. It's insane. It's really insane how good this blends out. And don't mind this little bugger I have on my chin. It's that time of the month, it's getting there, but I am treating it, so it should just, vanish by its own. Because it's quite deep, I can feel it, so I'm not touching it. Instead, I'm treating it. And that's it. Now I can't really get the same eye color as Lucy, so I'm just gonna stick with my normal eyebrows and normal hair, normal color. So I'm just gonna set my brows with the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel, and that's just a transparent one. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna set with my NYX HD finishing powder in translucent, translucent, and then I'm just gonna use my powder brush for this. Now I have a new powder, actually one of my top 3 holy grails, the one by Elf. And sheer, I just love it, and you know it. And Elf is also an affordable brand. Yeah, lovely eyes. They're base done, and now I'm just gonna do the right side of my face, and then I will be back. Alright guys, right side done. I actually by mistake also contoured my left cheekbone, so oh well, when you're a little fast. But this eye's done, and it's looking brilliant. It's very, yeah, in my own interpretation, and a little bit of inspiration from the pictures. Now, let's prime. Let's prime. As usual. Whoa, can't even see myself. And then just blend out. And for this tutorial, I'll be using my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in 1 neutral. So it's so good for Lucy, and when you think of it, yeah, she's a ginger, a pure redhead, and she is wearing warm reddish tones, and I like warm reddish tones, and I have a bit of ginger in my hair, so yeah. So we're starting out with the taupe color right here on my crease brush, right there. And I'm applying it to my crease. And also feathering it out. Because we want it to be visible. But we're adding another color on top of it. To make it more visible. This is just a transition color after all. And also on the lower lash line. I'm taking this brown color. It's more of a, yeah, real brown color. Light brown. And then I'm applying it on top of the taupe and feathering it out. As you can see, this has a bit more red in it, so it's more of a light earth brown. But it's exactly what we want. And also on the lower lash line, let's feather it out. Because a picture of what I've seen is it looks dark, but it's actually just the crease color that makes that shadow. Blending brush to make sure everything looks smooth. I'm taking my shading brush by Real Techniques. I'm taking this shimmery gold color. It's a light shimmery color. Because about Lucy, she is an aristocrat. She's from that high class family. But still she's friends with Mina, who's just a, yeah, school teacher. After all, they grew up together. Neighbors and all. Murrays and the Westenras. Like that. You need a little bit of that shimmer. And just blend. It also open up the eyes. Now I'm taking this very dark brown and a angled liner brush. And I'm lining my lower lash line to make it look more open, but also kind of like a doll. Lucy in the movie, she's saying she's barely 20, so she's actually 19. But she's very sensual for that age. She is dying to become married. Yeah, as you can see, I'm also lining my top lash line. Because back then, before the change of the century, there was no such thing as liquid eyeliner. Maybe they used that weird, maybe they used it more, maybe they were, but that was just more of that mascara thing, yeah, what is it the word I'm looking for? Not antique, but that block mascara you can get, and then you had to wet it with either water or your own spit. Now I'm making a slight little win because she is feline. She is the true concubine of Dracula. So we need that little bit of feline. Feline cat eye. I'm just going to take my blending brush and blend out the lower lash line. And for a bit of a highlight, I'm taking my mirror luminizer by the Balm on an angled shadow brush by BH Cosmetics on my brow bone and in a corner. For eyeliner, I'm applying my NYX Slide-On Liner in Jet Black on my top waterline to make my lashes look even thicker than they do now. And on my lower waterline, I'm applying the Sephora eyeliner in Infinite Beige, or you can also apply a white liner if you prefer that. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply the Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. And no lashes needed at all. So yeah, I'll be right back. Now we move on to the rest of the face. I'm taking my contour blush color by NYX Taupe, and as you know, I just very quick and contoured my cheekbone, so I'm just going to contour here my forehead because I have a big forehead. So we need a little bit more of that. Yeah, that effect of making it a little bit smaller. Jawbone. Lower lip. Sides of the nose. Then for blush, I'm taking, as usual, the Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in Hot Spice, and I'm taking this marbled blush right here, and it's gorgeous. So gorgeous. Suitable for Lucy. And then I'm also going to take a little bit of Mary Lou. I'm taking my setting brush for that. I'm just gonna like that, not too much. That's enough. And also a bit on the nose bridge, a bit on the tip of the nose, and Cupid's bow. And then for lips, I am taking an old goodie of mine. This is by Gosh in Lady Luck, because she wears red. She wears red, so want this. And here's the finished look. As you can see, I have curled my hair now, so I look a bit more like Lucy. Obviously I don't have the same hair length, but anyway, it's not that often I get to curl my hair for a look, or even just for every day. I just love it. I just brushed my curls through with my fingers, but oh girl, this looks amazing. I do love a bit of curl. Maybe I should do it. Actually looks the top here a bit bigger. But anyway, this is the finished Lucy Westenra look, and it looks so high class. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you liked it. It really helps me a lot. And then you can follow me on all my social medias. And then I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.